Question related to the breast cancer.
So my first question is,
Hi, my name is Apurva, and my about breast cancer. My question is,
It's an amazing initiative that you have taken. Anyways, I wanted to know what are the causes, symptoms क्या होंगे?
so I wanted to know that what all are the tests that we should do on the regular basis so that we know that we are not in the danger of breast cancer.
Doctor, I want to know, breast cancer is the problem related to women or it can be seen in men also?
Hi guys, so as you all know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So this time we are going to answer each and everyone's questions regarding breast cancer. So here goes the first question.
I wanted to know that what all are the tests that we should do on the regular basis so that we know that we are not in the danger of breast cancer.
Now the test depends upon your age. हर एक टेस्ट हम हर एक एज ग्रुप में नहीं करवा सकते हैं. So first of all, if you are 18 to 20 years of age, I would only suggest you to do breast examination. आप खुद की breast को examine करें. अब कभी भी examination करना will not help. It is best if you do the breast examination 8 to 10 days after your menses. Periods खत्म होने के 7 से 10 दिन के बाद आप अपनी breast को examine करें every month. Only when you examine yourself every month, then only you will know कि ये चीज़ normal है और ये चीज़ abnormal है, वरना आपको नहीं समझेगा. The second is, if your age is less than 40 years, we do not go for mammogram or mammography. We only go for ultrasound of the breast. So if your age is less than 40 years, ultrasound of the breast is a test that you need to do. Okay, the next is 40 and above. So if your age is above 40, then we will suggest a mammogram to be done. Some suggest after every 2 years, some suggest 5 years. So repeated mammograms need to be done. Why mammography is so important is because it is the most sensitive test for your breast cancer. And even if the breast cancer is in situ, that is, even it's in pre-cancerous stage, we would be able to detect it in the mammography. So we will get to know that it is pre-cancerous and we can stop it from growing if you get the mammogram on time. Okay, and next is, even if the breast cancer has developed, what is the stage of breast cancer, we get to know by mammogram. Suppose आपने mammography करवाया and yes, there is breast cancer. Okay, then the further test would be FNAC and biopsy, in which we take a sample of your tissue and study it under the microscope so that we know that cancerous cells are there or these are which kind of cells. So FNAC confirms the diagnosis, that is biopsy confirms the diagnosis. Also, an oncologist may suggest you to do a CT scan. Why we do a PET scan or we do a CT scan? It is because we need to rule out that entire body में कहीं और तो cancerous cells का spread नहीं है. Only if we know कि if it's the entire body that is affected or the breast that is affected, upon this varies the staging, and upon this different stagings the different treatment options and the survival rate depends upon. So all these tests of different stage and different times needs to be done for proper guidance. So these were all about the tests that you need to know. But what you can do is get yourself self-examined every month, know what is normal, what is abnormal. Whatever you feel is abnormal, go to a general physician or an oncologist to rule out if it's not a cancer. Yes, it is possible. हर lump, हर एक गांठ जो आपको feel होगी वो cancerous नहीं होगी. बहुत सारी और भी problems होती हैं breast में, so ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो cancerous हो. But yes, अगर आप menopause में हैं and you feel a lump, then you need to rule out if it's not cancerous. You know, it is like unless proven otherwise. So just get yourself examined. आपको पता लग जाए that it is not the cancerous one, and if it is, early treatment and early diagnosis is the only key we have for the good survival rate.
Also, I wanted to know that is the end result of breast cancer always fatal? Like we all know and we have all heard that cancer is always fatal. So I wanted to know what is the end result of breast cancer.
So I have also answered the second question that you asked. End result is always fatal. We cannot say it's always fatal. In fact, breast cancers has one of the best prognosis we have. So it depends upon the staging that we detect in. अगर आप टेस्ट जो मैंने बताए हैं, सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन जो मैंने बताई है, वो ठीक से करेंगे, है ना, और जल्दी डिटेक्ट करेंगे, तो मैं इसको एक आइडिया दे देती हूँ. The stage 1 have 97% of the people have 5 years survival rate. मतलब कि 97% पीपल जो फर्स्ट स्टेज में डिटेक्ट होते हैं उनका 5 ईयर सर्वाइवल रेट है। इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो 5 साल ही जिएंगे, पर उन 100 में से 97% लोग 5 साल एक रेगुलर नॉर्मल लाइफ जी सकते हैं। बट अगर आप स्टेज 2 में अपने आप को डिटेक्ट करवाते हैं तो यही रेट 93% हो जाता है और स्टेज 4 तक आते आते यही रेट 50 एंड बिलो हो जाता है। सो इट कैन बी फेटल, नो, इनफैक्ट इसका बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्नोसिस है, बट इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर अवेयरनेस, योर enthusiasm regarding the self examination, the test you are doing. So किस स्टेज पे आप डिटेक्ट करवाते हैं उसी पे उसका ट्रीटमेंट और उसका प्रोग्नोसिस कंप्लीटली डिपेंड करता है, और उसी के लिए हम ये सेशंस कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग आवर ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अवेयरनेस सीरीज। इफ यू वांट टू ऐड योर क्वेश्चंस you can put it in the comment section below, or you can send us a video on this WhatsApp number. I hope this is creating awareness and is helpful for you. If you think this is creating awareness, please do share and like this video to support us. Thank you.